guys, and welcome back to my channel. If we haven't even met before, my name is Shiv. Hello, if you're coming back then welcome. So in today's video we are testing out the neon green eyeshadow palette from Huda Beauty. This has been out for a long time and I've only just got my hands on it and I am very excited. Thank you, Nick, treated me to this palette. But yeah, I am off out tonight, so I figure this is the perfect time to use this eyeshadow palette and test it out. If you would like to see how I created this look, then please carry on watching. I mean, it's been out for a while, so we already know the thoughts and feelings, but I created this really pretty like neon green, limey, fairy kind of look, and I really like it. I think it's really flattering and pretty. So if you'd like to see how to create it, then please carry on watching. Before you do, please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, check me out on Instagram while you're at it, and I shall see you in a second. Okay, I'm a little bit stressed right now because I've been trying to order the Shane Dawson Jeffree Star palette. I know that's not what this video is about. The Bit of Beauty Bay website has crashed and I don't know if they've taken my money. It hasn't come out of my account, but I haven't got any order emails and I tried to order 3 times. That's a lot of money and I don't know if I've got the palette or not, and I was planning on doing a video with it, but we'll see. I shall update you with that. Look out for it on my Twitter. Okay, so now on to the neon green palette from Huda Beauty. This is stunning. I've been so excited to use this and I put it aside for this night. Wow, I'm so sorry about my voice because look at the colours, and I am off to a rave tonight, so I thought absolutely perfect. So we're going to create a quick rave look. With that, I've got just over an hour to get ready and I want to kind of be a little bit ready before I finish filming so I can take some posy shots. But yeah, let's create a look with this palette. This palette is absolutely gorgeous. I wanted to get one of the neon palettes for ages and I couldn't make my mind up if I wanted green, the pink or this one, but I settled on the green because it's very unique and not like something I already own. So let's just jump straight into it. Look how gorgeous it is. It comes with this plastic packaging, which I like. I like a good plastic or like metal kind of package so you can wipe it clean. So I am going to start by taking okay, so there's a random pink in it and then there's 2 greens. I don't know if I want to use the pink. Okay, I'm going to start with the paler green, which is right here in the palette. On the camera it kind of looks a little bit like almost pale white, but I'm going to pop that in the crease of my eye. I've already done my base and everything as usual just to save some time. I'm going to take a fluffy brush and go into the shadow. There's not a lot of fallout actually in my opinion, which I know is a big thing when it comes to reviews. That personally doesn't bother me, but if that is something that bothers you, then this palette doesn't have a lot of fallout. So I'm just going to pop that in the upper crease of my eye. This is such a pale colour, I probably need to build it up quite a bit. So I'm just going to really build it up in the upper crease of the eye. So far it's looking how I expected it to look. It is quite pale and I am putting it on a dry base, so bear that in mind. I think if you put it onto a wet base it would be a little bit like brighter. Really loading that on there. Okay, now I'm going to dip into the like deeper green almost. It's definitely not like a deep green, but it is like a lime colour. It's really unique and I'm going to pop that with like the slightly like denser blending brush into the crease to further intensify it. We only have 3 mattes to work with, so this is going to be very like soft neon look, if you know what I mean. Ooh, that definitely packs the punch. I can see the neon straight away. Gonna intensify that and keep adding a few more layers, but so far I am really impressed by this shade in particular. That's really nice. It's blending that in with the lighter green. I'm also going to run that under the lower lash line as well. I feel very like Tinkerbelly, do you know what I mean? Oh, I really like this. Yes. I feel like that's enough green that we're going to be able to pack on. I want to put this lime greeny shade all over the lid. Let's have a little swatch, shall we? Oh my god, that's so pretty. Okay, do you know what? I'm actually going to try and pack this on the lid. And like blow it out a bit like a shimmery fairy. Okay, that is so pretty. Love that. Ooh, didn't mean to like smudge it up all in the outer corner. Oops. Oh well, other than that though, how nice does that look? Oh, I love that. That's so nice. I've accidentally got a bit of glitter here, but other than that, like, the shadow went on so well. That would also look really cool in the inner corner. But I want to use this shade right here for the inner corner, so that's what I'm gonna do. Also got loads left on my fingers, on my hand even, so I'm just kind of like wiping that away. We got glitter everywhere. Okay, I'm gonna take this shade right here in the middle of the pan. It's really unique. It's got some like blue and green reflex in it, and I'm actually going to use that on my brow bone and inner corner. It is basically like straight up glitter, so it's more of like a topper, but that does look so nice. I'm just gonna try and like spread it around the brow bone area as evenly as I can. Oh, I like that. That's pretty. Pop that in the inner corner. I love that as an inner corner highlight. That is so nice. Just going to go back into the lighter green and just kind of like attempt to blend this together. I really like this. It's very soft and like fairy-like. I think this will get cleaned up later once I do like the liner. This look definitely needs a liner, otherwise I feel like the eyes will look a little bit like, I don't know. I feel like that liner is needed. But so far, love this palette. I definitely want to dive into these shades. So I'll do a tutorial soon using the pink and like these two shimmers soon. So look out for this, look out for this, look out for that. Otherwise, it's just kind of like a quick, soft look. So now we're just going to finish off the face. I'm just going to zoom you out a little bit. I've noticed my Halloween videos have been like really zoomed in, but I do film with my phone as well for Instagram, so just trying to find the fine medium here. Next up is the Revolution Renaissance liner. I'm just going to add a wing. Just going to start by going along the lash line. And then kind of like pulling it up at the outer corner. Oh god, this is a bad wing. I will fix that before I do my foundation, I promise. What is with my wings today? Oh my god. Okay, I will fix this, don't worry. I'm just going to take a cotton bud and I'm just wet it, and I'm going to just clean up this mess. All of the time, so I'd rather keep my distance from you. You don't gotta lie to me to get. And then this bit will be covered in makeup, so don't worry. For the waterline, I think I'm going to go with the black, so again the Jordana Easy Liner for Eyes. Just going to pop that in the waterline. Next I'm going to curl those lashes. And then pop on some mascara. This is the TECHNIC Mega Lash Mascara. I feel like for this look I need some big lashes, so I'm going to take the Primark 3D Iconic lashes. I've used this a few times. I'm going to pop those on and we'll be right back to move on to my face. I've done this eye look in 17 minutes, can we just point out, with all of the mistakes that happened. Hair back. Okay, so now it's time to move on to the face. I'm going to start with my Primark Primer Water. I've got half an hour left to get ready, so I'm going to be a little bit rushed right now. So Primark Primer Water. Now for foundation, I'm going to take my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation with my Spicy Choco Sponge. This is in the shade Y225. I'm just going to bounce this all over the face. Concealer, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer in the shade Almond. Conceal and highlight my usual places, so chin, under the eyes, forehead, nose. And the reason I do this is just to accentuate those areas, makes your under eye look brighter and all of that good stuff. I am so ill, I should not be going out, but YOLO. Then I'm going to take my damp sponge and blend this all in. Okay, I'm just trying to use this up at the moment, so I'm taking the Primark My Perfect Colour mattifying powder in the shade Ivory. I know you're probably getting sick of me saying that, but I'm just trying to use up my stuff, you know? And take a powder brush and set this all into place. For contour, I'm going to take the Bella Pierre Contour and Highlight Pro palette, the shade Brûlée, which is this one here, and I'm going to use this to contour in the opposite areas that we highlighted using my BH Cosmetics No. 3 brush. This is going to add some shape to the face and make my face look more defined. Bronzer, NYX Medium Matte Bronzer, of course. Just going to bronze up my face. This is the Real Techniques blush brush. Blush. For blush, I'm going to take the Milani Baked Powder Blush in the shade Luminoso, which looks like this. It's very pretty. Pop it on my cheeks. Then we're going to set this into place, and I'm going to take my Primark Matte Setting Spray. Let's be a bit extra. I'm just going to spritz my brush with a little bit of primer water just to make it a little bit more like intense with the highlight. And then I'm going to take the shade Lucky Clover from my Moonchild palette from Anastasia. I've been using this so much recently, but I love it. So I'm just going to pop that quite heavily on my cheekbones. Don't forget I am going to a rave tonight, so why not? Just going to pop that above the brow as well. A little bit on the nose, above the lip. And then I'm going to use the blush brush and just kind of like stamp over it to blend it in. Just going to pop some brow gel through the brows. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. And then some mascara on my lower lashes just to kind of complete the eye look. I might add a little bit more of that like glittery shade on the inner corner, just where it's kind of like diminished a little bit. I'm just going to go back to the Neon palette, and I am just going to take a little bit more of that glittery shade and just pop that on the, oh god, it's got in my eye. Go pop that on the inner corner. Now for lips, I'm going to line them with BARRYM's Pose Lip Liner, which is like a pinky nude. Take it all back, hate the things that you said, 'cause I wish you didn't mean it. Under attack, running far, far away. Now for the exciting part, I've got a new lippy to try. This is Huda Beauty's Girls Trip Lipstick. This is from the Power Bullet range. I'm so excited to try it. It's really pretty. It's like a pinky nude. First time I've tried one of these lipsticks. I really like that colour, but I really like that. And I really like this overall look. Now it's finished. We are ready. 10 minutes to spare. Amazing. So this is the finished look. The palette I love. I think it's so pretty, and I created this really soft, like limey green, fairy type look. Very nice indeed. I love the shade in the middle. That's so gorgeous. I think I am definitely going to do a tutorial with these kind of shades, so definitely look out for that on my channel. But thumbs up. I knew I was going to like it. I already knew it within me. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, if you did enjoy watching this video, definitely give it a big thumbs up. Check out the palette. It'll be linked down below. It's not sponsored or anything like that. I mean, I wish it was. That would be really cool, but it's not. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. I am off out now. I don't know if I missed anything in the end of this video. I like the palette. You should get it. Thanks for watching. I should see you next time. Bye!